Okay, how you doing there, YouTuber friends and subscribers? I got all my parts in finally to do the second inverter install. What we've got here on the bench is more 4-aught cabling, so I can do the second inverter. I got my logs, shrink wrap, my Temco crimper, which is awesome. Also got a new chair so I can sit at my bench and work at the correct height. And then here we've got my new Magnum. That was produced third quarter of 2019. That's a brand new one. MS4448PAE. Once again, I got the inverter and my BP-S from Boat and RV Accessories in Ohio. They're on eBay, Amazon. They got their own website. And they will match anybody's price. So if you find these on sale like I did, and they can see the ad you're showing them, they'll match this price. And this is a brand new inverter, obviously, just took it out of the box. I paid a little over $1,600 for that. Anybody's been looking at those knows how much those normally sell for. They're in the $1,900 range. So once again, Boat and RV Warehouse, Boat and RV Accessories. They've got anything you want there that you can buy in any solar store. You just wouldn't think to go there because it's not a solar store. But they have everything for the RVs and campers and tons of solar equipment, all top line stuff. Okay, that's their little plug. I'm very happy with that company. Over here, this just arrived. I had to go out in the rain. Excuse the generator running in the background. We haven't had sun here in about 3 days. This is my MPXD 175-30-L. Bought this brand new open box, and he opened it just to show what he had. And I took a screenshot of the seller's name. He says his equipment comes and goes. As of right now, I think he's got 2 more of these boxes, one for a 24 volt, one for a 48 volt, and he's got 2 of these identical panels for $400 each, brand new, and $120 shipping. So I paid $613, so that would be $520. That's a better deal. Up here on the wall, I've just got it hanging. I gotta measure it out and secure it. That's the MPXL backing plate. And here is the actual box. It's the MPXD box. This will actually sit on the wall like this, and the inverter sits on top. Sorry if I'm swinging the camera around. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And here's what it comes with. Here's the 175 amp DC breaker. How's that for huge? Here's the 30 amp dual pole AC outlet breaker. Here is the 2 2-aught cables that join the 2 boxes together. And it comes with the hood, and the wiring kit, the router, the remote kit, and the interface parallel connector, or whatever they call it. I can't think of the right word right now. So my new inverter will go up in this space here. This one here I have labeled the way you label it if you only have one. Right now this is labeled as the master inverter. Well, what they're telling me in this book, and you should never assume you know everything about how to do this unless you've done it before. When you read the book, then they show you how to do everything step by step. Pretty well done, very well done. They want the inverter I'm installing over here to be the master, this one to be the slave, this would be the slave breaker, this would be the master breaker, and the other 30 amp breaker is going to go here. So I'm about to start the install. I'm taking my time, and I'll be back when I got more to show. Very excited. This is pretty much going to be all I need power wise. This will give me a little over 60 amps at 240 volts, and I've been surviving quite nicely previous to this with my 4,000 watt Samlax inverter. And it's done everything I need to do. So this system is just off the chain for my setup. Okay, I'll be back in a little while when I got more to show. Over and out for now. Stay tuned. Okay, one more quick thing. I just reviewed the video and I didn't say the savings I got here. I got this whole entire setup here. He had it on bid. He's got, I think, 3 more of them. Got it for $100 and $74 shipping, so it's $174, which is way over $100 cheaper than anywhere else I could possibly find one. So, you know, I don't know about you, $100 in my pocket feels pretty good. So I just wanted to throw that up. I'm going to try to get that screenshot of this seller's name in there because he's got more equipment and he told me his stuff comes and goes all the time. Don't know where he gets it from. It's all brand new. Didn't ask any questions. I just bought it. All right.